flat pack leg design for this bench here. A little mock-up. So slide in right there. Imagine that's a full leg. Now I feel it move. Even when you stand on it and shake it. Pretty cool. Boards, when they get wet or in a humid area, they widen. As they get into a drier area, they shrink, they get skinnier. The distance or the length of the boards does not change, so it's only keep it from popping off of the base. I use these little brackets right here that I get from Rockler, and it slides into a groove that you cut with your table saw in there. So this will allow the bracket to move back and forth depending on whether it gets wetter or drier. Now,